Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you unhide threads badge on Instagram. So guys, at first let me tell you that if you want to hide your thread badge, there will be no option to unhide your thread badge again. But you can seek help from the authority of the Instagram. So at first just go to Instagram. Now in the Instagram, click the bottom last to profile icon and click the top right the three dash icon. Now click on settings. Now just scroll here and click on help. Now click the first option, report a problem. Now just toggle on the last option in the bottom and click on report a problem. Now click on include and continue. Now you can just type your problem or you can just copy what I have typed here. And after that just click the top right send. After sending the report, the threads authority will see your problem and they will try to find you a solution. So guys, that's how you can unhide threads badge on Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.